Nicki Minaj will not need to sell her residence to settle a debt with a bodyguard whom her spouse, Kenneth Petty, allegedly assaulted, as the bodyguard's attorney has stated that the judgment has been fulfilled. The rapper's legal team is present in court on Thursday, and it was initially believed they intended to argue against a judge's order requiring her to sell her Hidden Hills mansion to cover a $500K judgment awarded to Thomas Weidenweiler. However, prior to the hearing, we spoke with Weidenweiler's lawyer, Paul Sasso, who informed us that they intended to inform the judge that Nicki has indeed satisfied the judgment. The hearing has concluded, and it remains uncertain whether Minaj paid the entire amount or a portion of it through a settlement agreement. Sasso expressed regret to the court, stating he had only learned of the settlement shortly before the hearing. In case you missed it, a judge granted Weidenweiler $503,318.02 in a default judgment after Nicki and Petty failed to respond to a lawsuit he filed against them, alleging that Petty assaulted him backstage at one of Nicki's shows in 2019. Nicki has asserted that she was not made aware of the lawsuit by a former business manager, yet she remained liable for the payment. It is fortunate that Nicki settled the judgment, by the way, as the judge acknowledged that the preliminary ruling would have necessitated Nicki selling her home, a disastrous result for the pop star. Instead, Nicki can now move past this legal turmoil, as everything is once again wonderful in her Barbie world.